I've always dreamed of visiting Armenia, a country with millennia of history. I figured a trip so rich in culture would cost a fortune, but I was completely wrong. I'm about to show you the exact steps I took to find a flight from the United States to Yerevan, Armenia for just $218. You don't need to be a travel hacking genius. It's less about being a genius and more about knowing how to shop smart. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the whole thing. Before the how, let's talk about the why. Armenia isn't just a spot on the map. It's a nation with a story stretching back millennia. Imagine standing before monasteries carved into cliffsides, walking through Yerevan, one of the world's oldest cities, and seeing the silhouette of Mount Ararat. The food is unbelievable, the people are incredibly welcoming, and the history is tangible. It's a destination that feels like a genuine discovery. I was convinced it was financially out of my league, and that's what started this mission, to prove I could get there without breaking the bank. My first big breakthrough was realizing that flight prices act a lot like seasonal produce. Flying to Armenia during the peak summer months or over the holidays in December is like buying pumpkins in April. It's going to be expensive. A round-trip ticket can easily top $200. The secret is to go during the off-season. My research showed the cheapest months are typically November and February. Demand is way lower, and airlines are putting seats on clearance. Both Skyscanner and Kayak highlight February for low fares, with round-trip estimates from the US dropping as low as $458. I also noticed that booking on a Monday can sometimes lower the price, while Saturdays are often the most expensive. The key takeaway is simple: be flexible with your timing. So, how did I actually find that $218 fare? It was all about a specific search strategy. First, stop searching only from your home airport. That's like going to a tiny corner store expecting supermarket prices. For the best deals, search from major US hubs like New York's JFK, Newark, and LaGuardia, which move a massive volume of international travelers. But here's the real trick. I didn't search for specific dates. I used a flexible date calendar. This is like telling a car dealer, I don't care about the color, just give me your best price. On Google Flights, you can view prices across an entire month. On Kayak, you can select February and watch the deals appear. That's how I found the magic combination. A Kayak search for a flight from New York to Yerevan in late February revealed a one-way ticket for just $218. Other searches have shown round-trip deals as low as $482. This strategy works. While the lowest prices are from hubs like New York, deals can be found from other cities too. For instance, recent searches from Boston showed round-trip prices around $605, still a phenomenal deal. If you're finding this useful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm always hunting for deals just like this, and I share everything I find right here on this channel. Now for the logistics. First, great news for US passport holders. You don't need a visa for stays up to 180 days per year, which simplifies planning. Next, there are currently no airlines offering consistent direct flights from the United States. This means you'll always have at least one stop. Don't see this as a hassle. Think of layovers as stepping stones. A direct flight is one giant, expensive leap. A layover route uses smaller, cheaper steps to get you to the same beautiful destination. The best deals are hiding in those layovers. The airlines that most frequently offer these fares are Lufthansa, LOT Polish Airlines, Air France, and Qatar Airways, often connecting through Vienna, Paris, or Warsaw. You'll fly into Zvartnots International Airport, EVN, about 8 miles from central Yerevan. It's a modern airport, and getting into the city is easy. The Elitebus Airport Express, bus number 201, runs every 30 minutes during the day and gets you to the city center for a very low cost. Don't let a layover discourage you. Embracing it is the key to unlocking these low prices. So there you have it. Traveling to a country as historically rich and beautiful as Armenia doesn't have to drain your savings. By being strategic with your timing, flexible with your dates, and smart about where you search from, a trip that seems out of reach can become incredibly affordable. That $218 fare I found from New York is living proof that with a little effort, you can turn a dream destination into your next vacation.